This vehicle came in with a no-start issue right after the battery was replaced. Press the start button, and all we get is a click, then the lights go out. Looking closer, we found the wrong battery had been installed, and the main fuse block wasn't seated properly. We tested the starter circuit with a relay jumper, but the starter still didn't engage. Then we found it, a loose cable at the fuse block. It showed voltage, but the poor connection was enough to shut everything down. We installed the correct battery and mounted the fuse block the right way. With the loose cable tightened up, this vehicle fired right up. Another fix complete.